guys, welcome back to Nail Block. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling y'all how I make money, how I keep money in my little pockets. Okay, yeah. So onto the video. So the first thing I do to make or save money, do the $5 challenge. So I saw this on Twitter about a year and a half ago, and a girl, she had a bunch of like a box full. She had a shoe box full of $5 bills. So, and it was in like I don't know, maybe like a Nike Slides box. If y'all know like the sizes, that's like small but not that small. It's like more so narrow. Anyway, so yeah, this girl, she had it like piled up with $5 bills. So she said what she do is every time she get a $5 bill, she put it inside the shoebox, and she only do that to her five. She spend like whatever else bill she got. So I was like, okay, this don't seem like a bad idea. So I started doing it, and I saved up for I think a month because I needed money, and I think I had about $100. So I mean, just show it worked. That was just a month. Imagine if I did that for like a whole year or like a whole school year or something. Like, I'd be balling. That don't really work for me now that I'm in college, because I'm sorry, I keep looking down. I'm looking at the list. But that don't really work for me so much now that I'm in college, because I use my card for everything. I actually don't remember the last time I held cash. I use my card for everything where I'm cash shopping somebody. So I don't know, if you use cash a lot in college, then that might work. But if you don't, high school and stuff, it would definitely work, because you always got bills on you when you're in high school. So I said this helped me save money and make money, because I mean, I'm obviously saving the bills that I get, but I'm making money because it's more, you know, like I wasn't using it, I didn't have it. So I mean, y'all get it. So the second thing is, don't spend any money.
Y'all look weird, y'all. I feel like I'm looking up too much. I wish it was like a little lower. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. I wasn't really liking looking up at y'all like that.
So the next thing you can do is have a whole week where you don't spend any money at all. You don't spend a dime, okay? And you'll be surprised. It's probably not that hard when you're in high school, but in college it's definitely hard. It may be harder your senior year not to spend money all week, but freshman, sophomore year, it's not really that hard. But yeah, that's another way how I save money. I just don't spend it. So another thing that I did while in high school to save money, I don't know if this is illegal or not, honestly. I'm sure it is. Or like, not illegal, but you're probably getting in trouble for it. So you gotta sneak and do it, okay? So my dad, he worked at a candy store, right? Or a candy factory. He worked at Mars Candy Factory. Mars Candy is like, what is it, like Three Musketeers, M&M's, Snickers, I think Kit Kats. It's basically like chocolate, like that type of stuff. I don't know if he stole it, y'all. I don't know if they gave it to him. I don't know how it worked, but he used to give me like boxes of candy. I guess candies like they used to sell to Walmart or whatever, because it was like packs, like a variety pack. You know, he'd give me probably like 2 or 3 of them, and I would sell them at school and make like I made so much money doing that. And at my school, we got in trouble for selling candy, so I would have to sneak and sell it. It wasn't that hard to sneak and sell it, but I would have to sneak and sell it, you know. I sold chips at one point too. Everybody and their mama, cause look, y'all, this one Michelle Obama, like when she was on this health thing, and like she took all the bad candies and chips out of schools, bro. Everybody was selling hot chips. Everybody. I sell candies for $1. If I had like the mini ones, I sell them for $4. Like, I was making my money. That was so easy. But you just have to be careful to make sure that you didn't get caught, because if you got caught, that's gonna take your inventory, bro. That's gonna take your stuff. Selling candy, probably #1. Selling candy, chips, do that. Like, oh, money. At another school, this girl, she used to make these grape taffies. I don't know if they're like worldwide, but I know in Chicago it's like a green grape, you know, like regular good grapes. It's a green grape dipped in, I don't know, I think white chocolate with like nuts around it. It's like a taffy apple, but it's a grape, and it was like white chocolate, and they say it was good, but like she made a lot of money off that too. Like, that's a good way to make money in high school, for real. If you don't want to work, or if you want to work and do that, do it. That's good. So another thing, I did this when I got my first job. I only like bought stuff when stuff was on sale, y'all. I only bought things that was on sale. I have bought Tim's in the summertime, you know, they're a little cheaper. You could shop online when it's a sale. You could shop in stores when it's a sale. So yeah, only shop during a sale. The next thing is do your hobby. You can really get paid for your hobby. Basketball players, they love playing basketball. They get paid millions for doing what they love. I like doing makeup, so I do makeup, and I did it in high school. I do it in college. I do makeup, yes, and the more I do it, the better I get at it, and I up my prices. So if you do hair, charge people to get their hair. So just do your hobby. Use your hobby to your advantage. Even if like you like doing homework, people could pay you to do their homework. You could tutor people if you like good at math or history. You can make like $25 an hour tutoring people. And people do online surveys. I never did no online survey, but on YouTube they be saying they be making money off that. That's all the tips I got for making money, y'all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you don't like me or the video, I didn't force you to watch it.